Educationists, parents, members of the staff and students for the annual day celebrations of the school. This is a moment like no other as we celebrate 10 years of learning. Today we look forward with gratitude to the Almighty who has showered on us abundant blessings. I, on behalf of the entire staff and student fraternity of CRPF Public School, Dwarka, extend my warm welcome to you all. The past 10 years have been an enriching experience for all of us. As we stand on this threshold, there is a lot we have achieved and there are miles to go. Education is indispensable to the life of any child. It shapes their lives, giving them a better tomorrow. Since the very inception of this school, our endeavor has been to impart quality education to students with values like honesty, sincerity, dedication, and humanism. We are glad the school has been able to achieve most of its goals. Our students have brought laurels to the school in the secondary and senior secondary school examination. This year, our school topper is Yuvraj Singh with an aggregate of 94.8% marks, closely followed by Rachna Singh with 94.6% marks and Kaureen Kumar with 94.4% marks. Our school also had splendid class 10th results. A total of 119 students appeared for the exams, and out of which 26 students obtained the perfect 10 CGPA. I am also happy to share that our alumni have been fortunate to be placed with some prestigious institutions like Delhi Technological University, NSIT, IISER Bhopal, Indira Gandhi Institute of Technology, Safdarjung Medical College, and Government College, Mewat. Our students have also performed outstandingly in inter-school and zonal level art and music competition. Sports is another important aspect of our curriculum, and our students have made their presence felt both at national and international level. They have also made us proud by performing continuously well in different tournaments and championships. The school has witnessed development not only in terms of curriculum by adding new dimensions for the creative and inquisitive minds, but also in terms of the infrastructure. Some of our recent upgradations in infrastructure include renovation of ground floor boys' toilet, deadoing tiles in phase 2, addition of guard room, installation of PA system, speaker in all classes, and addition of conference room. Along with this, some of the projects in pipeline are rainwater harvesting system, water recycling plant, installation of solar panel, and purchase of a new school bus. We do hope that we would be able to adequately take care of the needs of the students with all these facilities. Having said this, I would like to add that this would have not been possible without the generosity and cooperation of the larger CRPF family and the parents who have always been supporting us in all our endeavors. I truly wish that this bond remains always this strong and we have opportunities to share many more experiences with you as our children excel in their respective fields and school grows from strength to strength. As I end, let us reaffirm our faith in God and His wondrous creations, who has offered us plentiful and bestowed us with wisdom to utilize it wisely. Thank you all. Hope you have a wonderful evening ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
What an enchanting performance. I'm sure it has left an indelible mark on our mind. Shri R.P. Pandey, IG Adam, come Chairman, Shri Harsharanjit Singh, DIG Welfare, to kindly join our wondrous students for a group photograph. May I request our school principal to kindly escort the esteemed guests.
There is no heaven in the clouds. It's here around us. India.
Respected parents, the proud parents who are here to see their wards perform so well, and the band of teachers who are assisting Ms. Veenu Tiwari in her tremendous job that she and her team are doing here. Friends from the media, my young friends, ladies and gentlemen, what a memorable day. Fantastic. I mean, when I was coming here, I never imagined it will be so beautiful. It's past any of the expectations I had. A decade function, a service of in the cause of education, 1 decade in the cause of education. For a school that has started just 10 years ago, every day, every step is important and memorable. But more memorable, more lovable are, if I'm not mistaken, for all of us, our birthdays. And a 10th birthday is an absolutely more special, made more special by the fascinating performance given by the children here. And this fascinating journey is not going to stop at all. It's going from strength to strength. And look at the results that I see today. In 10 years, you come to a stage where you hold your head high when you declare your results, both in academics, sports, co-curricular activities. In fact, the cheerfulness with which the children greeted us when we entered the school premises was itself an indication of the high spirits in which they have been brought up here. The smiling faces, the cheerful faces, and the bubbling enthusiasm that you could actually witness when you're seeing them. The way their smiles break when they see you and they greet you is contagious actually. So contagious that I really couldn't sit down and clap when this. I just had to stand up. I mean, it's involuntary. It forced me to stand up and clap, which probably I think made all of you to do that. Because when I came in and when I was taken round the project exhibition, it just not showed the vivacity of the children, the way they were depicting every of their actions, what they have done there, what project that they have built up there, but also the depth of their knowledge. But more importantly, their social commitment. What has been the values that are being taught to them? That's something very good, and I appreciate you and congratulate you, madam. You and all your, as I said, band of dedicated teachers, both academic as well as co-curricular and sports. The amount of effort, I know the amount of effort that should have gone in for doing this. And so this amount of awareness in the children is really exceptional, and I have no words to praise you and your team which has done this. And when I came in here,